Today, we're going to make a magic growing rainbow. All you need is water, 2 glasses, some paper towel, and colors. You're going to need washable markers. When it's washable, it helps the colors move. Now, some people say red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple when talking about a rainbow. But there's actually a couple more colors. In science, we say red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. In science, we say red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Indigo is kind of like a dark blue purple, and violet is a nice color of purple. So, I've got my markers. Set this aside for now, and I'm going to get my paper towel. Fold it in half like this. Fold, fold, fold. And now, I'm going to color the colors of my rainbow. Start coloring. Paper towel. I've got my 2 glasses, 1, 2, and I'm going to pour in some water, just a little bit. 1, 2, right. So I've got just a little bit of water. 1, 2, and then I'm going to take my paper towel. Place it in the water. I'm going to do the same with the other side. And now we wait. Look at that. It's starting to go up, up, up. Let's check the other. Oh! It's really growing. Oh my goodness, friends, look at that amazing rainbow. That's incredible. It goes whoop. That's so cool. Here's a look at the final rainbow. I love how the colors moved and created this beautiful design. I wonder, let's open it up. Wow, look at that. Reminds me of tie-dye. Okay, friends, you can make this at home. You just need markers, water, 2 glasses, paper towel, and time. This took about 30 minutes, but be patient and have fun.